The EMS pc3-23p7 is a branded Yaskawa motor control, which is a member of the varispeed 606 pc3 family of motor controllers. This particular motor control is a 3-phase 208 with an output rating of 3.7 kilowatts or 5 horsepower. This motor control had a dead primary power supply when we received it, which is a common issue with these motor controls. We did a full rebuild and then attached the VFD to our 5 horsepower motor and tested for proper operation. At ERD, we have decades of experience with Yaskawa motor controls and stock a large variety of the parts needed for a full rebuild. Whether the VFD is branded under the names such as EMS, Saftronics, Magnetek, or a direct Yaskawa product, including servo controls, we have worked on them all.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.